Hey, good morning. It is Friday, June 17th. I am back on the trail with the full pack, and the plan today is 16 miles, but it's supposed to be really hot today, so we'll see. But I kind of want to camp at Spy Rock because I want to catch the sunset. So that is my plan. I think Yard Sale and them are also not able to make the bigger miles, so I think we're gonna push back Devil's Backbone till Sunday so we don't have to like injure ourselves. But so yeah, that is the game plan. Then hopefully we can maybe narrow into Devil's Backbone on Sunday. But it's a little heavy. It's been like 2 weeks since I carried this thing almost. But slow and steady. I can take my time and hopefully stay injury free.
All right, I made it to the top of Bald Knob. That climb was like all climbs leaving town, straight up and heavy. But I packed out brownies and blueberry pancakes, so I'm gonna enjoy my snack. And I just saw Yard Sale, and so that's awesome. So yeah, the climb sucked, the pack was heavy, but I am glad to be back out here. Nice little surprise. I just got word that there's trail magic coming up from Blossom's friend, so that's awesome. Wow. So I just get to walk through this? How exciting. Looks like the trail just goes through this for a while. Probably should have put sunscreen on, but well. Alright, so I think I'm only maybe 5 miles in for the day. I've already taken like 2 big breaks. There's about to be trail magic, so I'm about to take another break. And then through this section, like I don't want to go fast because it's so pretty. But I'm enjoying hiking today, minus the beginning. That was hard this morning. And maybe it's because I was told to count my blessings. Because this guy asked me, he was like, how you doing? As I'm like climbing and haven't worn this pack in 2 weeks. It was full resupply of like food. And the climb, you know how the AT is, it's just like straight up. And so my sarcastic self, if you haven't realized, I'm a sarcastic human being. Probably all the dark humor of being a nurse for all these years. But I said, just enjoying the lovely grade of this climb. And he said, well, at least the wind's blowing, you should count your blessings. I just continued on. But don't ask people how they're doing if you don't want real answers, people. Because in that moment, I hated life. Okay? It was hard. But I got over it. I got up the climb, ran into Yard Sale and then I'm rewarded way up here with these beautiful meadows. So not all of us are sunshine and rainbows out here, okay? Some of us have true emotions and we are real about it, and that is me. So, but yo.
You're gonna be on camera anyways because this is amazing.
Oh my god, I just vlogged this too.
0% chance of rain.